Late one night beneath the moon, a stack of pancakes vanished soon. The butter was gone, the syrup was too. Who swiped the snacks? I've got no clue. Forks were scattered, plates were bare, sticky syrup dripped from the chair. "I swear they were here!" cried Benny the bear. "But now there's nothing, just crumbs in the air." Detective Fox came strolling in with a notepad, a smirk, and a confident grin. "Who was awake? Who heard a sound?" "I swear I was sleeping." Benny frowned. Then Rabbit hopped in looking kinda slick with syrup on her paws and looking real quick. Fox narrowed his eyes. "Care to explain?" Rabbit shrugged. Must have been the rain?" Fox sniffed the air, then turned to the chair. Sticky paws and syrupy hair. "Looks like we've got ourselves a clue. Rabbit, this pancake mess points to you." Rabbit sighed. "Okay, it's fair, but those pancakes smelled too good to spare." Fox laughed. "Well, next time, let us all share, or the pancakes might vanish into thin air."